So right now, because there's not much I can do in the front of the car because it's not welded yet, which I'm actually getting done tomorrow, I'm going to work on cleaning the interior. There's all kind of trash and dirt left by the previous owner, so I'm going to take the seats out and get cleaning. Okay, so I totally forgot to restart the video of me taking out the seats because there was one bolt that stripped, unfortunately, but when I had my friend over to weld the front frame, he welded a nut to the top of this bolt, so we were able to get it out. But yeah, I totally forgot to re-record after that. It took me like half an hour of trying to figure out how to get this bolt out before it was just completely stripped. But luckily he was able to weld that and we got it out. And now that I have the seats out, I'm going to vacuum the inside and get to cleaning. Cleaned, I can do the seats and get them back in. Everything's clean and the seats can go back in. That was way easier putting that in than getting it out. It for this video. Next video we're finally getting body panels on. I got everything welded up, but yeah, the interior is done and it's time to work on the outside again.